Morocco is located in the low seismic regions of the Earth, with a high likelihood of an earthquake. It is definitely not immune from seismic events, as historical data suggests that there have been various relatively minor earthquakes in both its northern and southern regions. These have included both seismicity in the Rift Mountains of northern Morocco and a few in the Atlas Mountains of the south. While the seismicity in both regions are considered relatively low in terms of intensity, it is nonetheless possible to find some notable events. The most significant was a magnitude 6.7 earthquake in Al Hachim in 2004, the largest earthquake in a nation's memory. Other earthquakes of moderate magnitude have taken place in the Jukola region, in northwestern Morocco, as well as some of the coastal areas of the country. Both areas are considered to be high-risk zones for earthquakes, and the government has taken measures to improve seismic monitoring and building safety standards. Although many of the earthquakes that have occurred are considered of only minor significance, ongoing research is being carried out into tectonic plates and the possibility of larger seismic events. Local scientists are keeping close tabs on the region and monitoring seismic activity to better understand the factors contributing to its ongoing earthquake problem. One of the primary concerns is that Morocco is located directly on the North American-African tectonic plate boundary, which is capable of strong seismic events. The level of seismic activity in the region can also be subject to higher than average fluctuations due to its location on the Atlantic Rift Zone. Due to this, the region is considered to be in a higher than normal risk for seismic activity. In addition, the population density of certain areas can contribute to an increase in potential exposure. This can be especially dangerous in the major urban areas, where populations are concentrated in high-risk areas. Because of this, emergency preparedness is paramount for both the private and public sectors. Earthquakes can cause a great deal of damage to infrastructure and put the lives of citizens in danger. The Moroccan government has made significant investment into creating plans and procedures to mitigate the potential damage of an earthquake. These include providing regular earthquake drills, creating emergency evacuation plans, and training personnel in emergency response. The government has also implemented strict building codes for both private and public structures to ensure that they are up to standard in terms of safety. Measures have been taken to create a government warning system so that citizens can be alerted in the event of a real emergency. The Moroccan government is keenly aware of the seismic risk in the region, and is working hard to mitigate future damage. Improved seismic monitoring equipment is now being utilized to gather more information about the region, and to better assess seismic activity. This will enable the government to have a better understanding of the seismic risk posed by the region. Research is also being conducted on the effect of climate change on the seismicity of the area. Detailed mapping of fault lines, seismic hazard assessment, and seismic zoning are all being conducted in order to refine the seismic risk knowledge base.